Uh, Greetings, everyone. On the occasion of International Women's Day, we are honored to welcome Snehal Gube, a passionate trek expert and an inspiring influencer who has been encouraging countless women to step out of their comfort zones and into the mountains. Through her adventurous journeys, fearless spirit, and powerful digital presence, she is redefining what strength and independence looks like for women today. Her story is not just about reaching summits, but about breaking barriers and inspiring others to rise. Let's dive into her incredible journey. We welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Your journey as a
Thank you so
trek.
much for warm welcome and giving a ultimate introduction.
It's a pleasure to have you, ma'am. Going towards
Yes.
our first question, ma'am. Your journey
Mhm.
as a trek expert is inspiring. What first motivated you to step into this world?
Okay, actually, by background, I'm a national volleyball player, or you can say athlete. So after pregnancy, every woman gain weight. So fitness is a first trigger when you being athlete, when you run 5 kilometer, you know your performance. But when you could not able to do the such activity, could not able to run, that pinching every time. So I think that was a trigger point. Ki, this is not me, the origin me, who could not able to run at least a 1 kilometer in a day. So I try to find out myself who you are now after, weight put on. So I think that inspired me. Ki, the self finding itself, or to find out the true you. That's inspired me to for trekking or to find a fitness. Okay, again after pregnancy. While doing it, why I choose mountaineering? Actually, I that is only the activity I could say where you can take your family, your kids, and luckily we are in Maharashtra and we are blessed with more than 350 forts around. We have a beautiful terrain of Sahyadri, which you can climb up and down and hill and range trek. So n number of variations you can find in around Pune itself. I stay in Pune. So why not to enjoy the real beauty outside in all the 3 seasons? So I challenged myself with my daughter when she was 1.5 year old, 12 months 12 trek. When that time I was working, so the journey was beautiful. And then I realized, while when I used to take my daughter, my family, my husband to mountains, so or nearby treks, we used to observe there is a no women group as such. We can see the groups of men, or men, or young girls or boys, like college going girls and boys or teenagers, but not a women group, yeah, which we have now. So I think where are women's then? Where is a family? So because of n number of less information and number of misunderstanding, or of course facility around, maybe I thought women are not comfortable to go for a trekking. Now the ratio has been increased, okay, but that, I think that was a problem which, with the help of G Tribe, we turn as a opportunity. Yes.
That's wonderful, ma'am. That
Yeah.
inspiration for fitness or that gist for fitness
Ah,
is what you into this field. So
correct,
trekking
correct,
is
correct.
often perceived as a male dominant space. So what
Mm.
challenges did you face as a woman in this field and how did you overcome them?
I don't think there is a challenge. Only the at the initial level, trust is the main problem. Okay, I mean, when you are running any company as a commercial, that is also made in a male-dominated sector. So, ये कर पाएगी क्या? ये लेके जा सकती है क्या? That's the trust. But I think your education, your soft skill, your so some kind of certificates, or like the basic mountaineering course, advanced mountaineering course, such courses helped me to gain the confidence while talking with next person. Okay, doesn't matter who is male or female or participant. Okay, so I think education in your particular field give you confidence, because knowledge always clear the doubts. Okay, so my doubts are clear about what are the risk factor we have, and of course experience matters, right? So in such kind of dominated sector, I would say the challenge is main trust, second your knowledge, because it's a vast industry, it's a vast region we have. You cannot go same multiple places again and again and again and again, but patience, you need a patience for that. So to reach that particular level at a certain point, after a certain point of time, is sometimes challenge. Okay, so I think patience helped me to get it there. And the most challenge I could say, being a woman in Maharashtra, safety is not an issue. I don't think, I means now it's more than 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. I don't think any group with me face a challenge of safety. Okay, safety is not, yes, some washrooms facility in a very clear, there are no washroom facilities available for women. So we manage ourselves in nature. So that is uh, physical challenge, I could say. The rest is everything is manageable.
Okay. Well, the
Yes.
washrooms are always a task. So
Mm.
probably someday we will be
Ha.
problem free in that aspect as well. Was there any
Yes.
particular trek or moment in the mountains that truly transformed you as a person, which inspired you?
Uh, Uh, not, yeah. There are when I first time I in my life itself, when I seen and stay in a mountains while doing a basic mountaineering course. That time I realized I am a person who needs to take a bath twice in a day, morning and of course at the evening time before bed. So I'm a person who used to change clothes more than 3 times in a day. But when you are a part of treks, or you are a part of outdoor activity, you do not have such kind of opportunity to change your clothes again and again, to go for a bath in a day twice, or something like that. In that case you realize आप ये सब external चीजों के बिना भी जी सकते हो. ठीक है, means you don't need that plastic life. What you need, what I realize, you need to eat food for what reason? Okay, just to keep you live, और बोलते हैं ना कि खाना है इसलिए आपको खाना है, तो जिंदा रहने के लिए खाना है, या आपको आपके शौक पूरे करने के लिए खाना है. सो सच काइंड ऑफ थीन लाइंस ऑफ द लाइफ, आई वुड से कि वो क्लियर हो जाती है जब आप माउंटेन्स में रहते हो. ऑल्सो आई रियलाइज देर इज अ strangers are good. Okay, we sometimes we don't generally talk with the strangers and all, but I absolutely I didn't found any kind of incidents where strangers are not safe. Okay, उल्टा होता है कि अभी कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि स्ट्रेंजर्स ही हमारे अच्छे दोस्त बन जाते हैं, एंड और एक अच्छी फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है, बिकॉज माउंटेन्स में एवरीबडी नीड ओनली वन थिंग, सस्टेनेबिलिटी. सो वो सस्टेन, नेक्स्ट बंदा भी सस्टेन ही करने के लिए आया है, और हम भी सस्टेन करने के लिए आए हैं. सस्टेन इन द सेंस, इन टर्म्स ऑफ climatic changes, in terms of food, in terms of shelters, so everybody is seeking for sustainability. Rest is there. Okay, सो एंड मोटिवेशन कि यार चलो हो जाएगा, थोड़ा दूर है लेकिन वी विल डू इट टुगेदर. तो ये सारी चीजें जो रहती है वो माउंटेन्स में आपको पक्का मिलती है. सो
So the
आई होप
mountain,
आई आंसर योर क्वेश्चंस. हाँ.
so the mountains definitely teach us about teamwork at least.
Yes. So my turning point, the answer to your question is my turning point is basic mountaineering course, where I realized because I was working in a corporate more than 15 years. So वही routine वाला life था. Okay, food वाले बहुत सारे options होते हैं ये. So this particular 30 days ये जो training moment या period रहता है, it is 28 days का period रहता है. So इसमें हमको पता चलता है कि बिना नेटवर्क आप जिंदा रह सकते हो, बिना कपड़े बदले आप जिंदा रह सकते हो, ओनली दाल और राइस पे आप जिंदा रह सकते हो, बिना नहाए आप 25 दिन जिंदा रह सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाट आई थिंक you can call it as a transformation where your thinking process is changed, the angle look at the life is changed, you realize what is a true livingness, okay, and you realize what is a plastic life, okay. So I think this is what I called a transformation.
Ma'am, what does woman empowerment mean to you in context of adventure and travel?
Okay, now every day I used to talk around 50 to 100 women. So abhi bhi, though we are in 20th century, still there are n number of questions, like how to manage periods, self care अभी भी थोड़ी कम है women में, okay. तो अभी भी उनको ही अभी the age group which I'm communicating with is around 35 to 45. So some such kind of questions they have, okay, ki how to manage periods in the mountains, okay, how to take care of hygiene in the mountains, okay. It's a part of education basically, but it's good at least they have such kind of questions. So empowerment means at least you can manage yourself in any kind of condition where you can say you are empowered, okay. Means what? You have to sustain your own, okay. People will be there to guide you, help you, but some decisions you need to take, okay. So empowerment is take your own decision for a right cause. That is what I'm looking at. And in mountain perspective, I think when such kind of people, I mean mostly women, come together, uh, you can't believe there is a tremendous gupshup and tremendous enjoying moments we experience, okay. So people don't talk about, I mean women don't talk about what happening in my home, how my office is ridiculous, how my day was bad. No, everybody is talking positive when we are in the mountains, okay. I think that is a transformation for me. That is what I can say empowerment. Keep people thinking something good. People uh, living in presence. Mostly what happened, we at least keep thinking, अरे ये हुआ वो हुआ. I mean we are used to think past, okay. और कल क्या करना है, कल ऑफिस जाना है, But when you are in the mountains, you enjoy your heartbeats, you enjoy the breathing. थकते हैं लोग लेकिन दे आर इनटू प्रेजेंस टाइम, दे आर इनटू रियल लाइफ, दे आर नॉट थिंकिंग कल क्या होगा, अब क्या है, कल मैं यहाँ थी. नो. So I think this is a miracle moments what we enjoy when we do treks, and I think this is what best I can give to them. And लोगों को ये जब चीज समझ में आती है, उसका एहसास जब होने लगता है, तो मुझे लगता है दैट इज ओनली द थिंग आई कैन से कि एक वो एहसास है ना, उसको ही हम बोल सकते हैं कि यस यू आर नाउ एम्पावर्ड, ओके. आई मीन यू नो हु यू आर, okay. That is what I can say. And again, though more than 50, 60, 80 now we have a batch size, everybody is encouraging each other, okay. That's a beautiful picture you can say. Though we all are women, walking together, climbing together, you will not find a single woman who is not encouraging, who is not inspiring to each other. Everybody is. So it's a positive flow which walking together. So I think this is what the beauty of women trek group.
True that, ma'am. You gave a totally new point of view to the word empowerment. Thank you. As an influencer, how do you use your platform to encourage women to explore the outdoors?
Explore
the outdoor.
Hello. Okay. Actually, I talk true. true things. Okay, I talk reality. I talk facts. Okay, because picture talks something else. ओके,
Mm-hmm.
माउंटेन्स के पिक्चर बहुत अच्छे दिखते हैं, ब्यूटीफुल दिखते हैं, लोगों को लगता है यस मुझे जाना ही चाहिए, बट पीपल डोंट अंडरस्टैंड how much efforts you have to take to reach there. And I talking about the gap between that smiley wala picture and the efforts. Okay,
Mm.
so I talk about that gap. So I talk about the reality. If you want to reach there, you have to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning. You have to put a weight on in a bag, and you have to walk minimum 10 to 15 kilometer. So people like the reality. Okay, people like the fact. People, because everybody wants. I want to be like such XYZ person. Okay, but to be a XYZ person, the XYZ person has gone through many problems. Okay, has gone through many efforts. Okay, so uh, at least copy it and be like them. Okay, so when you put a reality in front of crowd, they like it. When
Mm-hmm.
you give motivation to them, they like it. But that motivation should be aligned with your work. it should
Mm.
it should be pop up always on your face. It should be pop up always in your talk. It should be pop up always in your writing, and that is what I'm doing. So just open my Facebook, open my Instagram. I talk about where we are, what to do. So G Tribe is the only I think that's the only company who release more than 95 safety tips about the safe mountaineering in Marathi language, in regional language, especially designed for beginners. So I
Mhm.
think that's a big use of Instagram. I think because I also inspired from someone who already doing such kind of things in different topic. So I thought अरे ये तो कोई करता नहीं है माउंटेन, क्योंकि लोगों को आज भी क्वेश्चन है मैं क्या पहनूं, शूज कौन सा लूं, हैट पहनूं या कैप पहनूं. People has a lot of questions about basic things. So if everybody is clear about basic, everybody will be mountaineer, everybody will be good trekker. So I'm working for that, and I think I'm using that platform, and I'm happy to use it because today more than 17,000 plus women are associated with our account on Instagram. More than 18,000 women are on Facebook, and they connected, they asked the question, and I'm answering it because they trust me. स्नेहल
Mhm.
जो बोलती है वो रियल बोलती है, स्नेहल जो बोलती है वो फैक्ट बोलती है. एंड आई रियली वांट कि आप कोई भी फील्ड हो, यू अंडरस्टैंड द रियलिटी, यू अंडरस्टैंड द ग्राउंड वर्क. Because every field has a lot of efforts you need to take to reach at a certain level.
Hmm.
So I think it's always good be origin, be whoever you are in front of screen also, and in your day-to-day life also. That's the reality.
My next question was going to be related to what practical advice you're going to give to young trekkers, but now I'm going to shift that and going to ask the viewers to go and check your Instagram so that they can see it on the first. Well, ma'am,
Yes.
as balancing personal life and professional commitment sometimes becomes challenging, how do you manage it, or how do you advise people who want to explore this to manage it?
ओके, सो जो सिटी में रहते हैं आई थिंक उनके लिए तो बहुत सारी चीजें बहुत इजी है बिकॉज वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन स्मार्ट वर्क, नॉट अ हार्ड वर्क. ओके, वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स, बट you have to dedicate to works. Okay, where you are creating the value, वो आपको करना है. This is how I train my brain. Okay, and sometimes you have to use let go attitude. Okay, especially for women, क्योंकि the field where I am working, जहाँ पे I am playing a role of a mother, I am a wife also, I am a daughter also. So sometimes you have to find a priority, and you have to use let go attitude. For example, when I used to stay in the mountains like more than 15 days, 10 days, I know my child is in a safe hand with my parents or daddy. Okay, लेकिन अगर मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि यार मेरे सिवा वो ये नहीं कर पाएगी, मेरे सिवा वो कर ही नहीं पाएगी, वो क्या करेंगे, वो कैसे टिफिन बनाएंगे, no. So I have to train. I did it already, but you have to keep telling your brain she is in a safe hand. Let it go and focus on your work. Okay, क्योंकि everywhere every time you won't be there. Correct. Okay, so you have to choose either being at home or being in a mountain. Okay, time will pass away, you will back again. But if you could not able to take that decision कि मुझे घर mountains में रहना है, so the life is going on. Okay, because you are there. So that decision is important कि आपको क्या करना है. एंड सेकेंड इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज मैं ही सब कर, मेरे सिवा कुछ होता ही नहीं है, मुझे ही करना पड़ता है. सो वो लेट गो वाला एटीट्यूड समटाइम्स यू हैव टू यूज व्हेन योर प्रायोरिटी इज योर वर्क. ओके, एंड थर्ड इज उसके बाद यू डोंट हैव टू फील गिल्टी. ओके, समटाइम्स इज हैपन कि बच्चा बीमार है फिर भी माउंटेन्स में जाना पड़ता है, गिल्टी फील होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता है. बट अगेन यूज योर लेट गो एटीट्यूड बिकॉज आई नो शी इज इन अ सेफ हैंड, आई नो डॉक्टर इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ, वहां रह के मैं क्या करूंगी. ओके, सो समटाइम्स यू हैव टू फाइंड अ प्रैक्टिकल theory. I mean, you have to use practical advice. You have to listen to your heart, not to your brain. Okay, so heart is always right. So listen to your heart. This is what my suggestion. Yes. So this is how I'm balancing my personal life and professional life. Of course, I used to work in office 9 to 5, 6, 7. So today also I am following the same system. Whenever I am at the home, I make sure I will be focused at home. And we have a particular schedule of the year. कि साल monthly एक बार I used to take her in a mountain. Why again mountains? Because that is the only place I can see where there is a no network. Nobody is there to disturb you on a phone. Okay, तो फोन नहीं आएगा, मैं फोन नहीं देखूंगी ना, मेरे हस्बैंड देखेंगे. सो हम माउंटेन में अच्छे हैं, खुश है. एंड रियली, एंड समटाइम्स यू रियलाइज कि अरे एक दिन फोन नहीं मैं उठाती, कुछ नहीं होता यार, आज नहीं तो कल वो बात हो ही जाती है. ओके, बट इफ आई मिस दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बी टुगेदर एज अ फैमिली, it may not impact immediately, but it will impact slowly to someone, maybe my daughter, maybe my husband. So this is how I'm trying to balance everything.
So the lesson that I'm going to drive is that first, time management is important, and second is prioritizing things is going to help me do that.
Yes. Also, question, one more thing. One more thing. You have to be a very good planner. कैलेंडर आता है तो आपको सब वो कैलेंडर देखना पड़ता है. मतलब दिस इज हाउ आई एम प्रैक्टिसिंग सिंस मोर देन 5 years कि डायरी पे लेके, पेन लेके, कौन सी दिन में कौन सी छुट्टी है, स्कूल को कब छुट्टी रहती है. सो एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड, मीन्स एंटायर ईयर इज प्लान्ड. वेयर आई एम ऑन 25th December, आई नो टुडे, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड. सो इफ यू आर अ गुड प्लानर, यू आर अ गुड एग्जीक्यूटर. सो दैट इज हाउ इट आई एम वर्किंग.
True that. That's a skill that we all need to learn.
Learn.
Last question, but I hope I've covered everything. On this International Women's Day, what message would you like to give to the young girls who dream of exploring the mountains but feel unsure?
Start with small. Okay, don't hurry. Mountains would be there always, decade and decade. Okay, वो वहीं पे रहने वाले हैं. But don't hurry. Don't judge from YouTube or any video कि ये easy है. No. For every woman or participant, maybe a short hike is also like a Everest. Okay, so listen to your body. Okay, keep patience. Don't hurry. इसने किया इसलिए मुझे करना है. No. Your body is different, her body is different, her patients are different, your patients are different. Okay, you will reach there, no doubt. आज नहीं तो कल आप पहुंच जाओगे, लेकिन हर एक का रास्ता अलग है. तो फर्स्ट यू नीड टू डिसाइड मेरा रास्ता क्या है, मेरा स्पीड क्या है. बिकॉज माउंटेनियरिंग, ट्रेकिंग, आउटडोर एक्टिविटीज, इट्स नॉट अ रेस. ओके, कि आपको फर्स्ट आना है और आपको कोई तो मेडल देगा. नो, you have to judge yourself. Okay, asking someone कि I'm okay, मेरा speed okay है क्या, मैं कब जाऊंगी. No, you have to think that. You have to very honest. People get Indian market is a manipulated market. Okay, इन्होंने किया इसलिए मुझे करना है. So find out कि आपको क्यों करना है. If you have that strong reason to act on it or to execute it, you never ever fail. This is what my observation, and this is what I am using this practice. कि मुझे क्यों करना है? If your reason is strong, nobody will pull you back. Okay, you will walk and walk and walk, and one time you will reach. So don't look at who is doing what. Find your own way, especially in adventure and in mountaineering. Start with small and slowly you progress towards a big goal. पहले ही फर्स्ट ट्रेक एज एवरेज बेस कैम्प आप करोगे तो नहीं होगा, वो हो जाएगा बट इट नॉट प्रैक्टिकल. यू मे नॉट एंजॉय. वो हो जाएगा, रोते रोते हो जाएगा, हमको हंसते हंसते करना है. सो प्रैक्टिस द अल्टरनेटिव ट्रेक्स एंड देन गो फॉर अ बिग गोल. दिस इज माय एडवाइस.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your practical advices. Up to mark answers, which were very, day-to-day life में जो हम experience करते हैं. I am quite sure everyone will find this interview very useful, and I'm quite sure there will be increase in followers of G Tribe also, helping our community grow in both fitness as well as exploring outdoors. Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us today. And I hand over to Sanjeevni, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Farin. Thank you, Snehal. And as a participant, also I want to say here, because I guess I did 37 treks with Snehal, okay, under women's specials 12 trek and 12 month. So it was a good initiative for women. So that's why the main inclination, women's leaders and all that means hats off to Snehal, because she's managing very well. And as Farin, you also asked her how you promote the woman. So first thing, she connect heart to heart. So that's the first thing. We totally believe her. And as I experience also, I organized trek also. I guess 2 trek I organized with you for women's cell, and various trek I did with you. So that was a amazing experience in my life till now. With my girls also, means my daughter also did a trek with you also. She remember that trek very well. I did first water rappelling and all that. So it is fun, and all should experience this. And it will be one experience and one step which will push us just step out of our comfort zone, and it will give you the next level happiness, which will always keep in your mind and in your heart. So that's why, and congratulations for Snehal for your wonderful, you can say, journey. And definitely our young budding all physios and all other will motivated from this, and they will join for trekking or any other fitness somehow. Thank you.
It's my pleasure, and thank you so much, this platform, inviting me, considering me, my work, G Tribe work, to on this special occasion, Women's Day, and wish you also good luck for your next journey. And thank you so much once again, Dr. Sanjeevni and Farin.
Thank you.